Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. About 3 years ago, we came to the same mobile home and we had to fix the sewer line. And we're back here again because they've got the same problem. It's been 3 years. We'll start by upstairs checking the toilet, check the septic tank, and then we'll probably end up back down here to clean that sewer line. Take a look. So 3 years ago, we were out here. This is a mobile home, and they've got kind of the same problem. You can see the waste is stuck here in the toilet. Let's flush it. So it does take it out, but did you see that spit back of air that's coming back up? And they also said that over here in the shower, sometimes when they flush it, the water's coming up through that drain. So we know that the problem is under this mobile home. We're going to go check the septic tank, make sure that's not the problem, and then we'll go ahead and see if we can clean that main sewer line. Let's try the plunger. So as I plunge this, I can hear the water trying to come up in that shower. So I don't think this is working, but we'll test it out. Now you can see it filled up right away. So we've got to go down under this mobile home and clean that main sewer line. I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can do this for very inexpensive. So the first thing we're going to do is check the septic. Let's pop this off of here. Yeah, everything looks good in there. Shouldn't be a problem. Make sure that lid's back on there. Now let's go underneath and take a look. Okay, if you remember from last time, we had to cut this pipe and we put the no-hub on there. So we're going to loosen that up. Make sure you have a bucket, because it's going to have some water in it. But we'll loosen these up. And then we just wiggle it. You might need a screwdriver. There it goes. And we just let this drain out, and then we'll go ahead and put this. This is called a flush bag. Can you see that? This is called a flush bag. And what it does is it goes inside the pipe and it will expand. And when it expands, there's a little jet right in the front. And that will just blow this thing clean. But first we have to let it drain out. Okay, are you ready? We're going to open it up a little bit more. There's a lot of crap in here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go flush the toilet one time. Make sure that this line is clean. Get that turd out of there. So there'll be a lot of water come out of here in just a second. Okay, I'm going to go flush that toilet. Got a clean bucket here, and we will flush out this section of the line, and then we'll use our flush bag. Remember what a flush bag does. It expands. Stick it in this pipe and it will expand and force the water that direction. Let's go do that. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. So all that water just went down into the bucket down below. You can see there was no air bubbles coming back. We'll let it fill up and flush it one more time. So also there's no air bubbles or anything coming up out of the shower drain. Let's go ahead and flush this again. Okay, I'm going to put this flush bag down in this pipe, maybe. Twist it down a little bit. We're going to push it all the way back. Yeah, can you see that? There's a stoppage right there. So next, I'm going to go kick that water on, and that's going to expand inside the pipe and force the water out to the septic tank. Okay, can you hear that water running? Notice that no water's coming back out. All the water's being forced out into the septic tank, and that line's wide open. So for $3, the flush bag opened up this line. Yeah, what a mess and hard to get to, but you can do this. Okay, I'm gonna go shut the water off, put this all back together. We'll test it out upstairs in just a minute. Okay, let's pull this flush bag back. Get it out of there. There we go. You know what? So there's a piece of plastic that dropped down in there that looks like an old comb. That was the problem of why this backed up. But let's put this back together. There we go. Then we'll just tighten them up. Tighten up these clamps. I'll fix that belly. That will do it. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.